वेलकम टू माइंड पोर्टल क्यूज वीडियो। इस क्यूज वीडियो में हम CIL नॉन एग्जीक्यूटिव टू एग्जीक्यूटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड पेपर वन कॉमन सिलेबस के कुछ क्वेश्चन डिस्कस करेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करने से पहले चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर ले एंड ऑल्सो प्लीज क्लिक ऑन बेल आइकन फॉर अपकमिंग वीडियो नोटिफिकेशन। Which of the following can be used in an ingredient in UZ coal mining? A. SDL, B. LHD, C. Board and pillar, D. Long wall. Answer is C. Board and pillar. Which of the following industries use coke? A. Steel plants, B. Cement plants, C. Brick kiln, D. Power plants. Answer is A. Steel plant. Which of the following is the type of cooking coal? A. Prime cooking, B. Medium cooking, C. Semi cooking, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. Which of the following is the best quality coal? A. Peat, B. Lignite, C. Bituminous, D. Anthracite. Answer is D. Anthracite. Dankuni Coal Complex is under the administrative control of ACIL, BECL, C, BCCL, D, SECL. Answer is D, SECL. What is the product of Dankuni Coal Complex? A. Coke, B. Coal tar, C. Coal gas, D. All of the above. Answer is D. All of the above. How many days of special leave is permissible as per CIL leave rules? A. 2 months, B. 4 months, C. 6 months, and D. 1 month. Answer is C. 6 months. In which state of India anthracite coal is found? A. Jharkhand, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. West Bengal, D. All of the above. Answer is B. Jammu and Kashmir. From which coal field in India prime cooking coal is produced? A. Jharia, B. Raniganj, C. Rajmahal, D. All of the above. Answer is A. Jharia. What is the eligibility criteria for payment of gratuity? A. 5 years, B. 15 years, C. 10 years, D. 20 years. Answer is A. 5 years. Which nomenclature is used for grading of non-cooking coal? A. Alphabetical, B. Numerical, C. Alphanumeric, D. Roman. Answer is C. Alphanumeric. For how many workers canteen is to maintain under the Mines Act? A. 500, B. 300, C. 250, D. 350. Answer is C. 250. What is the basis of grading of non-cooking coal? A. S, B. Moisture, C. Calorific value, D. All of the above. Answer is C. Calorific value. What is the minimum limit of EL that can be encashed by an executive in a calendar year? A. 30 days, B. 90 days, C. 60 days, D. 45 days. Answer is C. 60 days. Which is the methodology for gradation of non-cooking coal used in CIL? A. UHV, B. GCV, C. Both, D. None. Answer is B. GCV. The management trainees are entitled for which of the following leads? A. EL, PHL and CL, B. CL and sick leave, C. EL and CL, D. CL. Answer is B. CL and sick leave. Under reservation policy, what is the reservation for OBC? A. 27%, B. 22.50%, C. 15%, D. 7.50%. Answer is A. 27%. Calorific value of coal means A. Burning power of coal, B. Heating power of coal, C. Heat evolved by burning 1 kg coal, D. None of the above. Answer is C. Heat evolved by burning 1 kg coal. How many days of quarantine leave is granted? A. 28 days, B. 20 days, C. 14 days, D. 7 days. Answer is B. 20 days. GCV stand for A. Gross calorific value, B. Green calorific value, C. Graceful calorific value, D. Great calorific value. Answer is A. Gross calorific value.